Hey guys, this is CoBuystedt over at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. I'm here to show you the Arctic Fox. It's a 2019 285C. This is one of the better rigs that you can find out there in terms of build quality. It's arguably one of the best Four Seasons rigs you can actually get. Right here is your through storage bay that you have. Right here we got the larger tanks. They're also next to each other instead of split up on the other side. You got the slam latches. It has the full auto leveling system. You get the solid steps right here coming up into the rig. This has a little shock right here. That shock is going to bear all the weight of the step when you lift it up into the doorway. So that's super helpful. Anybody can lift that up. So you can see the floor plan right here. We got this little eating area. It also has this little cabinet spot with countertops. We have the living room right here. Now this is actually one of the things I love about this rig. Let's see. The TV kind of lifts up and reveals all of that storage underneath. Kind of nice because you can get to the plugins to the TV and hook stuff up quite easily when it does this. No wasted space. Stereo. We have a fireplace down below. Oh, and there is storage above this as well. Here's our refrigerator. I love how they do the wooden panels on this brand on the fridge, so you don't feel like you have this big silver appliance in the middle of the room. It kind of just blends in. Here's your cooktop. It is 3 burners. Here's your oven below. Super big microwave, convection. We got this right here, this island. Let's show you what the sinks are like. They're under the countertop, under mounted. You get the little one and the one big one. That's my favorite. The split with the one of them is bigger. There we go. There's your trash. You just kind of throw stuff there. You access the trash can right here. Oh, everything is all cleaned up. You have this right here. You'd be surprised how many fifth wheels don't even give you a pantry at all. All this space, that fits bowls and plates. So yeah, I mean, this is the layout. Of course, you have your 2 chairs right here too. Some cabinet storage right here. It pulls out. I love the cabinetry. That's kind of one of the things about this brand that makes them so well loved. Get a slide out right here. Get a slide out right there, so they spread apart from each other. There is no accessing the fridge when all the slides are in. It takes like 10 seconds to get the slide all the way out to get to the fridge, so it's not even that big of a deal. But when you come up into here, there's your bathroom. The toilet's behind the door. We'll show it in a minute when we go to the other side. And your countertop right here. You get one of these magnifying, make yourself hate your face mirrors. Every time I look at those, I'm like, oh man. Here's your bed. You get some cabinetry right here. I love all this design stuff they do. They do this with a CNC machine, and a computer comes through and cuts art into this. And it just shows you the level of quality, attention to detail. CNC machines are awesome. Computers cut things better than humans do. Here we go. We got all that space. This is a slide out right here. So it's going to slide from right here all the way through. So you want this door to be opened while the slide comes in. Otherwise, the door will not like being in the jam. So your door, you can close it and open it all you want, but when you're going to roll the slide in for transportation, you open this door so that this can all come in. So come this way. We got the other angle of this bathroom. So I'll show you where the toilet is and what it's like. Solid door, by the way. That's super awesome. A lot of them are like really hollowy. Right here, we've got our shower. Good for adults. There's the mirror I can't look at. Got all this storage. They're kind of big on cabinetry. This brand is. I love the roofs too. And then here's your access panel. So you got slides, you got your awnings, you got your heaters stuff. Your battery shows you black tank, gray tank levels right here. Got a generator switch. Got your solar charge controller. You got the AC right here that you can set up. These are lights. So, I mean, yeah, that's the layout. If you have any questions about this rig specifically, you can just ask me. My name is CoBuystedt. You can call me at 541-735-1535. And I'll be happy to help you. Thanks.